Babe, can you turn the light off, please?
Yeah, sure.
Oh!
What?
Oh!
What?
I thought I saw something.
There's nothing there.
Where's it gone? Oh, babe!
What?
I swear I saw something.
No, seriously, there's nothing there. Just watch TV. I am a fan of how that lighting looks. Smooth on my skin, got some nice out of focus stuff in it. That's pretty good. What is going on, guys? Shooting Dave here. So good to see your faces. Welcome back to the channel and happy Halloween. Now, hopefully that intro video didn't scare you too much. Amy and I had a lot of fun making it. This whole month we've been getting into the theme of Halloween and it's been a lot of fun doing so. We went round our buddy Andrew's house and we were actually carving some pumpkins, having some drinks and watching witches. That was loads of fun. And as you can see from behind us, well, we transformed our living room into a Stranger Things kind of set. And it's lots of fun to do that. Basically, I went down to Staples and I printed out the alphabet, cut it out, stuck it up on the wall, along with some Christmas lights, and, well, if you ask me, it looks pretty cool and I'm very happy about it. And I reckon I could probably leave those Christmas lights up until Christmas, because after Halloween we've got Thanksgiving and then it rolls into Christmas and they're all kind of festive, so it doesn't really matter, right? Anyway, guys, that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you got any comments or questions, let me know what's going on in your Halloween. I'd love to read all those comments. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I am @ShootingDave, and as always, I will see you in the next one. See ya!